Go shopping. Go home. Go dancing. Go for a walk. Go for a swim. Go for a run. Go on a date. Go on a plane. Go on vacation. Go to church. Go to school. Go to bed. Go to the park. Go to the hospital. Go to the cinema. British versus American English. Biscuit. Cookie. Sweets. Candy. Holiday. Vacation. Autumn. Fall. Lift. Elevator. Film. Movie. Lorry. Truck. Can you tell what time is it? 8 o'clock. 5 past 8. Quarter past 8. 20 past 8. Half past 8. Quarter to 9. 5 to 9. 9 o'clock. It's spitting. Means very small amount of rain. It's drizzling. Means light rain. It's raining. Means regular rain. It's pouring. Means heavy rain. It's bucketing down. Means heavy and intense rain. Sneeze. Fever. Cough. Asthma. Sore throat. Runny nose. I agree. Same here.
Same here.
Same here.
Fit and healthy. Fit as a fiddle.
Fit as a fiddle.
I'm fit as a fiddle, me.
It's not difficult. It's not a rocket science.
Absolutely, it's not rocket science.
It's not rocket science.
Let's meet. Let's catch up.
Wow. But let's catch up.
Let's catch up on old times.
I'll help you. I'll give you a hand.
I'll give you a hand.
I'll give you a hand.
Unripe. Ripe. Overripe. Rotten.